This is the Patagonian steppe, and it's home to living dinosaurs. A Darwin's Rhea, South America's answer to the ostrich. 3 feet tall, it's one of the largest birds in the world. And this supersized male is father to a supersized family. For 40 days and 40 nights, they barely move. By late spring, Dad's efforts have been rewarded. 14 healthy chicks. Now, the real work begins. It will be 6 months before his chicks are independent, and keen-eyed hawks would soon grab a lone chick. Keep your family close. What is that? It's a distress call from a chick, but not one of his. Male Rheas have such strong paternal instinct that if they find any lost chick, they will adopt it. On the spot. And when you already have 14, well, what's another one?